In this video, I want to show you how to take out and how to put back the gimbal, the camera cover on your DJI Mini 4K. So to do this, to remove it, you're going to notice if you put the drone on its back like this, there's a small space over here where you need to stick your finger, and simply by prying gently, okay, everything needs to be done gently, you'll be able to unlatch the cover and it will come right off. When time comes to put it back, same thing, hold your DJI drone in one hand, and the other hand, you're gonna notice the cover has two of these prongs on the top. You're gonna attach these two prongs in the front of the drone this way. Okay, I'll do it again. And then I'll bring the cover down and it should click in place right over there. So this can be done quite quickly, but every time, okay, just be gentle. Don't just slam it quickly because you may break something. With a bit of practice, you won't even have to think about it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and check my Amazon links if you want to get some accessories that are compatible with your DJI Mini 4K. See you in the next one.